Hi guys, good morning. I hope nakauwi ang lahat ng safe from the rally. And also, I'm sorry if baka hindi nyo magustuhan tong content na gagawin ko. I wasn't able to attend the rally yesterday and yung pinaka-update ko lang sa social media and of course, Reddit. And what do you mean? Wait lang, wait. Pwede bang pwedeng mainis ako saglit lang? Like, you know me, I want the best for everyone. Pero pwede bang mag-rant saglit? Like, if hindi nyo pa na nababasa, I'll give you time to read. So, basically, the initial reaction that I had nung nakita ko na pumunta si V and si Kong sa rally, I was like, wait. What is this? What are you doing there? Tapos they're all like, nagisisi na kami and di na kami mananahimik ngayon. Wait, you were told. Tama ba? I'm so sorry ha. Alam ko, sasabihin nyo, hindi pulat dilaw, tunay na magkalaban. Pero kasi, diba, nung time na ini-endorse nila, yung mga trapo, tapos yung nasa political dynasty, diba dead ma? So what do you mean ngayon, hindi na kami mananahimik? Eh, puta ngayon pa? Sorry ha, alam ko na hindi dapat ngayon yung oras na ganito kasi kapag di sila nagsalita, magagalit kayo. Ngayong sumama sila, galit pa rin kayo. Yeah, but I don't think people are expecting them to go there. Kasi 'di ba nung election, ano bang ginawa nila? 'Di ba? Kala ko, sabi niya, pare-pares tayo ng pinaglalaban. Totoo? Real? For real ba? I wasn't aware. Because the moment na you chose to endorse Camille Villar, what? Nagisisi daw siya na sumakay siya sa trolley cart. Oh, wow. Thank you, ha. Porket ba magkaiba tayo ng sinuportahan, hindi na ako pwedeng magalit sa mga nangyari sa bansa. Wait! That's the whole point. Para tuloy self versus self. Pinagagawa nyo. Sorry guys, it's not my influencer era muna. Sorry, normal na mamamayan ako. And call me na nag-shitpost. But, V. Cortez ha, ikaw talaga. Natatakot ka ngayon. Natatakot kayo ngayon. Pero nung election, go na go! Kasi di ba nakinabang na kayo? Di ba? Ito ang legit na performative. No lash, this is not the right time. Oh, sige. Because honestly, yeah, for me, I can't think of a better time na isumbat to. Because